Everyone, I recently did a video on explaining the flavor groups of figs, and a lot of you guys commented afterwards saying that you'd like me to recommend the top 2 figs in each category. So 2 from figgy, 2 from caramel, 2 from light honey, 2 from honey, etc., etc. The problem with that is that it really depends on your climate and where you guys live, but for me in my location, this is what I would recommend, okay? I would certainly recommend Improved Celeste, and I would recommend Columbaro Nero. Any of those types, they're really good figs. They're also quite big, filled with honey. You can even get some berry flavor in them if you live in a warm climate. So in the figgy category, this is the 2 that I recommend here. In caramel, I would recommend, this is a tough one here, probably Osborne Prolific for sure. And it's a tie between Bial and LSU Purple. Cali Candy could take that prize, but I've yet to taste it and yet to grow it. But I think Bial and LSU Purple and Osborne Prolific are all quite similar to each other and all deserve a spot in someone's yard. They're all very different as well from a lot of other figs. In the light honey category, I would certainly recommend Zafiro and Sweet Joy. These are the only 2, but I really like them as figs. In the honey category, I would recommend probably Yellow Longneck and Champagne. These 2 are exceptional. They are early. They're rain resistant. Yellow Longneck is huge, and they both have nice flavor to them. In the fruity berry category, I would recommend Hardy Chicago for sure, and Malta Black for sure. I would also recommend Sultane. Sultane's exceptional. Very, very high quality fig. You definitely get the fruity berryness in that fig more than these other ones here. I would say Spey is like a more intense fruity berry to it, but Sultane is like really fruit punch, man. It is, it's quite incredible. But I can't say no to Hardy Chicago or Malta Black, and my second choice would be Sultane. In the complex berry category, this is a tough one because there's so many good figs in here. I think Col de Dame, you must have that one. And then I would say after that, because the Col de Dames are pretty similar to the Adriatic types figs, but the Col de Dames are better in terms of taste, I would recommend either the Atriano types or Ronde de Bordeaux or the Violette de Bordeaux types. I can't narrow this down to 2. These are the ones I would choose here. You know, all of these, they're really all exceptional, to be honest with you. And I said this before in that last video, that I could break down this entire category into multiple groups. So, yeah, I know that's a hard one, guys. In this category here, the light berry category, I would choose Suwadi and I would choose Teramo Unknown. Suwadi is the most unique fig I have. I don't have anything really that tastes pretty similar to it. In the tropical category, I would choose Native de Argentile, and I would choose the English Brown Turkey family. You know, any of the English Brown Turkeys are really good, like Olympian, Soda Sicilian, Lavard X Brown Turkey, etc., etc. In the fruity honey category, these are the only 2 that I've come across that have this flavor, but certainly Barbera Branca and LSU Huye is getting a lot of good reviews from a lot of people. In the sharp berry category, I would choose Smith and I would choose Italian 258. The other ones are a bit unproven for me in this climate. While they all taste good, I think these 2 are probably the best for me at this moment. I could very easily see Borgesot Grease becoming one of those 2. The Brajotto Nero types are very good, especially if I can get one that's a bit earlier in the season. It's kind of like an earlier Black Madeira, but then again, you have Black Madeira, which is incredible. So, you know, it's hard to say with this category. If I had to choose one from here, it would certainly be Smith. If I had to choose one from here, it would be Barbera Branca. One from here, Native de Argentile, Suwadi. I would choose probably Violette de Bordeaux out of this category, or Col de Dame. Out of here, I would choose Hardy Chicago or Malted Black. This category would be LSU Champagne. This would be Zafiro and Light Honey, Osborne Prolific, and Improved Celeste. Those all seem to do quite well in this climate. Yeah, so hopefully that helps for you guys. There's many other figs out there though that I could add to these categories. I've kind of kept it to a minimum so that I really know for sure what is where, and also because there's a lot of figs out there that you guys have probably never heard of. So by me adding a lot of things to this list, it just kind of makes things a bit more confusing, I think. So anyway, guys, I hope that helps, and I'll catch you all for the next one. Take care.